Tiny wonders, big impact. Capsules in modern medicine. Capsules are like tiny packages for medicine. They make taking medicine easier and safer. Imagine swallowing a spoonful of bitter powder. Yuck! Capsules solve this problem. Capsules mask unpleasant tastes and smells. This helps people, especially children, take their medicine without fuss. They also protect the medicine inside from air and light. The perfect shell gelatin and its alternatives. Capsules are usually made of gelatin. Gelatin is a safe material that dissolves easily in your stomach. It is made from collagen, a protein found in animal bones and skin. Some people prefer not to consume animal products. For them, there are vegetarian capsules. These are made from plant-based materials like cellulose. Building a capsule, a journey of precision and care. Making capsules is like a well-choreographed dance. First, the capsule shell is made. A mixture of gelatin or its alternative is melted and molded into two halves. Next, these halves are filled with the medicine. This could be a powder, a liquid, or even tiny pellets. Finally, the two halves are sealed together, creating the capsule we know. From factory to pharmacy, ensuring quality every step of the way. Capsules undergo rigorous testing before they reach you. They are checked for their size, weight, and how well they dissolve. This ensures that you get the right dose of medicine every time. Once they pass all the tests, capsules are packaged and shipped to pharmacies. Pharmacists then dispense them to patients based on doctors' prescriptions. From the factory to you, the journey of a capsule is a testament to precision and care. Please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.